talking. You're all full of smiles.
Secret mouth again.
Yeah, her right sacrum.
When she did that, I just realized, I was like, it's probably
Her pulling on her? Your sister's subluxating you. Good job. Hi. Hold on. Bring her up. And just hold her on you for a second. Up. If you want to wave to the camera, hi. Hi, I'm getting adjusted. This Saturday morning, hi. Okay, got her? We're gonna bring her over here. There we get a pillow. Who's that crazy lady with that thing? Who's that crazy lady with that thing? Hi. The world upside down? Are you upside down or am I upside down? Want to help? Hang in there for 1 minute, okay? Can we hang in there for a minute? That's it. You move and help me adjust you. Or you can play with your feet. Release this left ass. Okay. You're doing great so far. Yay! You want to grab my face or something? Just don't rip my nose. Just don't rip it off. It's clean. I showered not too long ago. Okay, good job.
Yay!
Good job. Ready? Ready?
Yay!
Let's go see mommy.
She's
Yay!
so big.
She is big. Goodness.
Good girl, Sydney. Yay!
How old is this little munchkin?
She'll be 6 months old?
6 months old.
Yeah, next week.
yeah,
Yeah.
next weekend on Saturday.
Yeah. You've been adjusted since birth, right? Yeah.
Just headbanging.
Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Don't mess up your neck. Don't ruin your neck adjustment.